friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to do the CPU throttling test in the MI11X device by using different type of settings. So as friends, I'm going to use slightly different settings than before, just to see whether this kind of settings will help the performance to boost in this MI11X or not. So these are the requests which I got from one of my subscribers asking me to make this kind of video particularly on these different settings. So let's see friends whether this works. So if it works, then definitely that's really good, and in case it doesn't work, that's also no problem friends. So at least I tried. So let's see what are the exact specifications and what are the conditions we need to follow. So as per the request, let me quickly show the comment as well what I got. So first condition is to use the CPU throttling in the game turbo and then change the values to the high quality, as you can see friends. So normally it will be by default only. So let's see by using the high quality, as you can see. This is condition number 1, and condition number 2, you need to go to the developer option settings. Then we need to go to the debugging, and then we need to change this CPU throttling to the system graphics driver, as you can see. So these two conditions which was requested by one of my subscribers. So I'm going to use these two conditions and let's test the CPU throttling in this MI11X device, whether this got improved or not. That is what I'm going to check. Let me need to disable the Wi-Fi and everything on the background applications as well. Completely disabled, as you can see. There is no background applications right now I'm trying to run. Let me need to open the CPU throttling application. So let's see friends, by using this kind of testing whether we get slightly improved performance or not. That is what I'm going to check. Meanwhile, even I'll try to focus with the temperature. So with this kind of high performance, whether the temperature is kind of affecting or not. Let me need to keep the time to the 15 minutes, which I'll be usually doing the same kind of time, 15 minutes only. Yes. So now let me need to start the test. So let's start the test, and the test has been officially begun. And right now the temperature is of 36 degrees. Right now I'm getting, as you can see, 36.8 at this moment, and the backside 36, as you can clearly see here. It's not bad. And the performance score I'm getting about 2,66,000 and 2,64,000 at this point, as you can see, 2,60,000. So I'll try to compare the scores from now to the score from before. So we'll compare before and now, what are the things got changed. So those are the things which will be definitely helpful for us. So let's see friends, by using this kind of two settings, will there be any kind of changes in terms of the performance score or change in terms of the throttling? That is what I'm going to check. I'll try to take the screenshot. I'll try to take this screenshot, and then I'll try to compare with the previous screenshot which I've taken, which I've done the test. So in this way, we'll be able to figure out what is actually happening with this MI11X device. So now, as you can see friends, right now my room temperature is pretty normal. It's only 31 degrees. There is no AC, there is no cooler right now. So previously the temperature increased up to, I think, 40 degrees is the maximum. So 41 is the maximum. And right now, as you can see, slightly decreased throttling, as you can see, 2,40,000. So again it increased. So 2,61,000. So again I'll be back after exactly close to 5 minutes of time. So that 5 minutes should be kind of enough for this MI11X device. So let's see friends, in the 5 minutes what will happen with the temperatures. So after close to 6 minutes of time, as you can see friends, so let me quickly show you the temperature, how much it is. It's close to 40 degrees. So 40 degrees is not bad, but I cannot see any kind of performance increased in terms of the score result. So even I used to get the before same kind of score, but I'm not sure. So whether the score is actually improved or not, but I don't think any kind of sign increasing more than 3 lakhs. So before it used to be 3 lakhs. So let's see, I'll try to take the screenshot. After that, then we can able to compare before and now. As you can see friends, right now we are getting close to that 15 minutes of time, and the temperature, let's see, 41.8 degrees it increased right now, as you can see friends clearly, 41.8 and 40.6 on the back side. You can see it clear friends, the temperatures, how much it is, 42.2 as well, it increased a lot, 42.2. I think when compared with the before, right now the temperatures are slightly increased if I try to use this kind of condition and this kind of settings. So I'm not sure whether it's not working in my unit. So let's wait for the final conclusion. After 15 minutes exactly, we'll get to know the score, how much it got total. So we'll be able to compare the score now to before, and I'll try to show you exactly the settings what I'm trying to use as well. Same game turbo I'm trying to use, same high quality only, and same system graphic driver also I did enable for this CPU throttling application. So everything as per the requirements by one of my subscribers I did, and it did not work out in this phone. So let's see what will happen for the next few minutes. So right now we're getting close to 15 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, the final time is over 15 minutes exactly. I think slightly the max performance slightly maybe increased. Yes, the max let me try to take the screenshot. So that is the reason sometimes I'll be really confused, but that increased the temperature. 42.2 degrees it increased, as you can see, friends. So before it increased only 41 degrees and 40 degrees, but not much. If you watch my CPU throttling test, you can definitely understand it increased only to 41 degrees only before, but right now 1 degree we got more. Let me try to open the gallery and open the screenshot before and now how it is. As you can see, friends, this is the which we did today test, and it is a gallery application. So which the screenshot I've taken before, you can clearly compare side by side the scores. So before it used to be 2,52,000 and now I got 2,70,000 in terms of the score. As you can see, that CPU throttle before 93% but now 94%. I think slightly it got better, and the average, try to check at the average, it's about 2,61,000. That's really great. I think this is kind of working out. I think so, as you can see, friends, but that's resulting in slightly increased temperature, but not much, only a little bit, kind of 1 degree got more than the before. I think hopefully this kind of trick is working in this phone, in the MI-Linux device. So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts in case if you use this kind of trick, and did you experience any kind of fast while gaming or not? That is what I want to know. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, see you. Bye.